Welcome back to our channel. Today's recipe is for my wonderful colleagues who thinks making chicken biryani at home is very difficult. So here I am with the easiest chicken biryani recipe for them. I am using a packet masala biryani mix. I can promise them that once they make it at home, they will never ever go back to the restaurant. So let me show you guys what I need here for the chicken biryani. Here's the chicken, and it's approximately 1.5 pounds, all breast meat, no bone in. And then I have some potatoes that I cut into small pieces, 1 full onion. I would need 2 tomatoes, 1 cup of plain yogurt. Then I will need 2 cups of basmati rice. Yes, you heard it right, basmati rice. We will need that definitely. And then we need some salt, oil. The only thing that you may or may not have at your house is the cinnamon stick, and if you don't have it, you can totally use the cinnamon powder. And then here's some bay leaf. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. But the absolute necessary thing other than the meat and rice is the biryani masala, this one masala. And I apparently like this Sindhi biryani, but there are so many different kinds of masalas that you can get in any Indian grocery store. And in the back they have the full recipe written how you should cook it, and if you follow it, you're gonna be just fine. But I wanted to show you guys too. And I will not use any of my own masalas. I will be using this packet masala today, other than the cinnamon stick and the bay leaf. To let you guys know that Sindhi biryani masala is a little spicier version. If you don't eat spices, or if you cannot handle too spicy food, then I would recommend you to use any other kind of biryani masala, just like Bombay biryani or any regular chicken biryani, not the Sindhi biryani. But the Sindhi biryani has a distinct flavor that just makes you hungry, and it's so amazing. So that's why I prefer the Sindhi biryani masala. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to marinate the chicken with some salt, a little bit of black pepper, and the biryani masala and yogurt. Here I have 2 cups of rice, which I washed. Yes, I washed it. Usually Americans don't wash the rice, but I have washed it to get rid of the extra starch that it had in it. And then I'm soaking it in water, but just to show you the long grain basmati rice, I remove the water for the moment. And I will also marinate the potatoes with salt and pepper after I remove the water from here, and then I will deep fry them. So let's get the marination done first. I am putting 1 pinch of black pepper on the potato, a little bit of salt just to season it a bit. And from the masala, the Sindhi biryani masala, I'm going to use some of the masala, not a whole lot. And as I can see here, and you will be able to see, there are some whole masalas too that we are not going to be using in here, like these are actually aloo bukhara, so we will use it in the meat but not in the potatoes. So that's why I'm going to be using some of this masala, the mixed ones, just a pinch, to marinate the potato. And I have tried my best to drain the water, but I see a little more water because I washed the meat. So I'm going to drain it and then come back. All right, so here we go again. Salt to season it. Then I will be using some of the masala, and I'm actually using almost half of this packet, but trying not to add the whole masala in here. And this masala, as I said, it's already spicy enough, so I'm not adding any more black pepper. Okay, so I will be adding half cup of the plain yogurt, but I'm gonna mix the masala just a little bit before I add in the yogurt here. It already smells amazing. So what this yogurt does, it keeps the chicken moist, also cooks faster, and give us the thick gravy that we need. That's approximately half cup of yogurt that I have just added, and I will be mixing it in. And you have to make sure that you mix it very well so all the chicken pieces get all the marination. And I will cover it for 10-15 minutes. It's not necessary to have it more than that. So we are done with our marination. Then the next thing we're gonna do is prepare the rice. I have soaked it in water for approximately 15 minutes. Now I am adding the bay leaf and the cinnamon stick. You can totally add cinnamon powder here. I have 2 cups of basmati rice here, so I will be adding 1 teaspoon of salt in here. And I'm using a rice cooker today, but it's not absolutely necessary. You can totally boil the rice using the same ingredients, but make sure you add enough water to it. For 2 cups of rice, I'll be adding 3 cups of water in here. Another ingredient I will be needing is just a little bit of sugar to give it a nice taste. I'm using half teaspoon of sugar in here. Then for the flavor, I'll be using one of the masala from this spice mix. This is a clove, so I got that out from the masala. And here's another clove and 1 aloo bukhara. Then we have to add oil, approximately 1/3 cup. If you want, you can use butter here, but I'm using just oil. Then I will mix it and add 3 cups of water. This is basmati rice, so it requires more water. This is a rice cooker, so I'm just going to turn on the rice cooker. In the meantime, we're going to be frying the potatoes. Here I'm frying the potatoes. If you have a fryer at home, you can totally use that, but I'm using fry pan to fry them, and I'm gonna make them light brownish, and I will show you how it looks like afterwards. This is how the potatoes look like after they're fried. Now I have a pan on the stove top. I will add oil and then fry the onions. As you can see, the onions are getting somewhat caramelized. At this point, we want to lower the heat and then adding in the masala from this packet, but I am only adding in 2/3 of the packet because this is for 2.2 pounds and we are only using 1.5 pound meat, so that's why. But then we can always taste it and see if we needed more. So right now I'm just adding in this much, and we don't want to burn the spices, so we will be adding in the tomatoes that I diced beforehand. There are 2 tomatoes here. So now we can increase the temperature and keep sauteing it until the tomatoes are completely melted. And at this point, I will put the lid on. Okay, after 2 minutes, as you can see, it's somewhat getting stuck to the pot. So I'm stirring it, and I will be adding in just a little bit of water. This is to cook the masala properly. It will make that thick gravy. So now we have to boil it until we see the oil on top. After 2-3 minutes, as you can see that the spices are separating from the oil. So at this point, without lowering the temperature, we are gonna be adding in marinated chicken that we have kept right here, adding them in, and try to get all the masalas in, all the gravy and everything in. Now the best part is, if you cook the chicken and you think that you're not going to be eating all of them today, then after it's cooked properly, then you can just freeze half of it and cook the rice accordingly. Then you make the biryani, and I will show you how to do the layering and how to make the biryani itself after cooking the meat. All you have to do is just cook the rice fresh and then add in the meat and steam it a little bit. That's all. It's easy. So without adding any water, I'm just going to be mixing them just like that until I see that it's getting stuck again. I will add in some water because chicken needs to be cooked, and we're keeping the temperature high. We just want to saute them inside the gravy so that it's full of flavor. We have to keep stirring. I will cover them for a few minutes. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar to this because the masala has a little tart flavor. To balance that, I'm adding in a little bit of sugar. Now I will mix it and then put the lid back on. Okay, so after 5 minutes, this is how it looks like. Starting to get stuck at the bottom of the pan. So I lowered the temperature and our rice is also ready, and let me show you the rice. As you can see, this is how the rice looks like. So I just turned it off, and now as you see, it looks like this. It still looks pretty fluffy. It's not smushy, but we're going to cook this in very low temperature inside the chicken. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove all these. So I will be just adding in the rice to the pot. And like I said, you don't necessarily need a rice cooker to do this, but if you have one, definitely use it for at least this purpose, because that would be worth using. So As you have seen, we do have lots of gravy under this, so that helps cook the rice properly. And since the stove top is still pretty hot, I'm going to cover it so the steam and the vapor from this will help the rice cook through and also absorb some of the spices from the bottom. At this point, I usually add in some fried onion on top of it, and that's just decoration purpose. It looks good, but if you don't have it, don't worry about it. I'm not going to add it, just to keep it as simple as possible for all of my colleagues, so that they can make it and let me know if they actually made it and how did it turn out. I am going to put the lid back on, but I will also do something else. Well, after 5-10 minutes, I came back and I'm just gonna do like this, so that just a light mix, and close the lid again. This time I'm going to turn on the stove again at low temperature to lock the moisture in. I'm going to add the foil paper. It's not completely sealed, but we will have our lid on top of it. All right, moment of truth. We came back after an hour. Let's open it and see how it looks like. Oh my god, it smells amazing in here. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells heavenly in my kitchen right now. See, this is how the biryani looks like. Now I'm just going to mix them together and it will be ready to be served. Thank you so much for watching. Please try it, and if you can make it and if you like it, definitely come back to our channel and let us know. We will be waiting for that. Please subscribe our channel if you like it. Thank you very much.